Welcome Jira users. In our tutorial, we will examine conditional metrics, an advanced metric feature of the Performance Objectives app for Jira. This feature, found in the Measure section of the Gadget settings, enables Jira users to set certain criteria or conditions for the values associated with a selected metric. In our sample configuration, we want to count only the issues that were unassigned for more than 30 days. This cannot be accomplished through JQL. Therefore, we must establish specific conditions to achieve it. The conditions act as filters, allowing users to exclude data points that do not meet the specified criteria. Let's consider another example and view the number of issues aged more than 5 days on a chart. We will choose the time metric time since, and define conditions that will count only issues that have exceeded 5 days since creation. In this case, we'll disable friendly formatting to ensure the results align with the numerical conditional metric we're establishing. Conditional metrics offer flexibility. You can use operators like equal to, greater than, or less than, and multiply values to add weight. Hover over the conditional expression field, and a helpful tooltip will appear with expression examples. Stay tuned for our upcoming video tutorial, where we'll introduce the formula metrics feature.